Hola estudiantes de Español 2-3 Honors. Welcome to week 6. Esta semana es una semana super especial porque vamos a terminar el libro de Esperanza. Our goals for this week are to read chapters 9, 10, and the epilogue, el epílogo. Después de eso hay algunas actividades. Here we've got an activity on page 25. We're going to do some of the questions on 26, and then we're going to finish with our student activity on page 27. That will be one day of our work. Then the other day we're going to do some review activities, algunas actividades para repasar. The first one requires drawing, and if you don't have drawing supplies, if you don't have drawing supplies at your house, what I suggest that you do is you just use a Google slide. But if you'd like to draw it out, you can. What we're going to be doing, and I'll have this written down for you as well, is you'll pick 4 important chapters. So just pick 4 chapters you want to study, and you're going to create a page that has all of these things on it. You're going to include all of the people. So I want a list of like each person that comes up in the chapter. Think of it like this. Which people, if this was a play, would be listed. So they're even in the background of the scene. Then I want you to list all of the things, las cosas, the things. So what props would you need? Then the lugares, lugares means places. Then I want you to write an English summary of the chapter, then a Spanish summary of the chapter, and then 5 important vocab words, and then I want you to draw a picture, and I want you to do this all on one big sheet of paper so that you can review it. So you're going to do this for 4 important chapters. What I would recommend is picking one between chapters 1, 2, and 3, one between 4, 5, 6, one between 7, 8, and one between 9, 10, and the epilogue. Pick the ones that you maybe struggle the most to remember, because next week we have our test on this. So I want you to understand and remember as much of this as you can. Then we're going to have a speaking activity, and you'll turn that one in on Flipgrid. Other than that, that's all we have this week. It's a much shorter week because I want to give you guys time to review your books. I would recommend rereading chapters that you are unfamiliar on. So this activity, of the 4 chapters, you might need to reread all of the chapters, so it will take you time if you're doing it right. If you don't feel like you have to reread all of them, you do not have to. Additionally, since it's October, our October homework will be up. For October homework, you have a blog to write. For that, you write a paragraph in Spanish, and you have pictures around it. That's it. Sorry that the word blog has been confusing for you guys, but all it is writing a paragraph on the prompt that was posted on the monthly homework slides. Then an email. You'll click on the email, you'll respond to it. And then there's a third part because it's a bigger month, and this month you'll have a video to listen to. That's all you have this week. Email me if you have any questions. Adios y buena suerte.